The following message is transmitted at the request of the Spruce Pine Police Department. A gasoline truck has tipped over on U.S. Highway 19. The truck was carrying hazardous materials, and sparks from the crash has ignited the fuel. A shelter-in-place order has been declared for the city of Spruce Pine. To shelter in place, take the following precautions. Close all windows and doors. Turn off all heaters, air conditions, and fans. If you're not using the fireplace, close all fireplace tampers and vents, and cover cracks around doors and windows with paper or towels. Media News Network will carry updates as it is available. Stay off the telephone unless you have a life-threatening emergency.